Shut up, one word. What's nice? Jesus, where's this? Shh. Shadows there. Take it down. Guys, breathe here. Breathe here.
Number, what I never, this is safe. This is safe. So guys, we'll make it in the room. But I'm afraid to get up. Like, we'll get my money first. I get up so man, get up.
Oh, Father, what in heaven? Cover me with your blood, Lord Jesus.
Turn on the light, check if the light can turn on.
I think girl, no come back here, but I'm gonna try. Oh shit, Abby. What the fuck? What? Who the fuck can you be? Enemy? Jesus Christ. Guys, what the fuck is that doing? Stop now. Who this? What is? Why me I move? Why should I move?
Officer, not up here in my house.
We don't do it. We don't do it. Oh, Mama. I can't.
I just have a... I'm looking here, girl. Hi, boy.
So, how do I reach here? Who come in and come to this?
Someone alright. Someone alright. Oh my God. Can I put your knocking?
Where?
What I do? Watch out.
Jesus. She no star.
Yes, my all the time I run. I become going to put on my socks and go sleep.
Bad. Who that what I do right now? Guys, that first me bad there. And this happened.
I can't write about no, I can't tell the madness. Watch here. I come in, I'm up there, I see things in my bed. Oh, it's reaching there, oh, it's reaching there. I see what something I go on here, so. If I fax them on my teeth, there's something right in here. Careful.
Yeah.
You not hear that?
Auntie, man.
Yeah, but listen up. What the knocking, careful.
It's crazy, man. Abby just come on, I bed now, Abby.
Say that.
I'm bad. Man.